Right, well,
Jackie, don't.
this is actually a big rain.
You're gonna slip.
Big flood.
Go as far.
It's really wet.
Go like slide on the car.
So, please like this video.
No, the other one over there. The green one.
Hey, Jackie, guess what? Jackie! Jackie, someone's kind of screwed. Hey, Jackie, jump the car! Alright, well. Dude, it's like flooding. Oh my god. Jackie, come on. Hey. Here. Hold my hand. Here. Alright. I'm kind of screwed right now. That's for sure. And my phone's wet, so I'm actually happy this is recorded. I'm so confused. Up on, and as you see, I'm a crazy person with no freaking umbrella. Oh gosh. If you live in Bakersfield, California, and University Street, you know what's going on. I don't know, Jackie. I don't know. I don't want to shut up. Hey, Jackie, get on the umbrella and start to row.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Come on. No, you'll be fine.
Hey, Jackie, jump the car, jump the car. I'm posting this stuff onto YouTube. This is going on YouTube.
Jackie, come on.
Here, come on, Jackie, here. Come on. Alright, are you okay? I wanna go! Hey, Moses, should I go?
If you want.
Alright, but...
I'll record you.
Here. Alright, here, now my brother's gonna record.
Andrew, what are you doing? You're not gonna do it? What?
You can record that truck! Look it! Alright, watch this.
Andrew, alright?
No!
Go. Let him, he'll learn, he'll learn.
Oh my god, he's gonna hurt himself. I wonder how deep the water is.
It's not deep. Hey, guess what, Andrew? I turned off the recording. Come on, get back over here. You're gonna eat it.
Come on. Alright, well.
What? Stop.
No, it didn't.
You did.
That's for YouTube.
Yeah, your keys were lost in the current.
Right. Well.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.
What?
That's going on to YouTube.
Did it sound staticky like that? Because I'll slip my wrist.
No, it sounds like you're singing inside a coffee.
No. Thank you.
Here.
Can I take off my shoes?
I know.
She told you that.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay over here.